Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning guys, good morning.
You speak Arabic?
Yeah, little speak Arabic, little speak English, but Tagalog, mia mia.
We have Tagalog and we have another language.
Kenya, I want to learn.
No, your
learn
language
Kenya.
from Philippines. We have Tagalog and another language.
Yeah, this Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Yeah, yeah. We are now like a soldier because when we reach in the location of the customer, but the unit is not there. So again, we are traveling again to find the driver because the driver is in the road. But again, 120 kilometers again for the location to the driver. So again traveling, going to the driver to rescue him. See, now is we are here in mountain, climbing in the mountain. It's climbing to the mountain. So many monkeys here. monkey like us, monkey. This mountain is very nice, look like hills. See, $130 kilometers to the driver, rescuing to the drivers. Okay, soldier, fight. Filipino and Kenya fighting for the traveling to the mountain. See, this is my colleague, Mr. Moises. Mr. Moises in Kenyan, and Erwin from Philippines. Because I'm crazy now. Okay. This way is inside the Neum. This is Neum area.